The Automan here. Today we're talking about technology under the hood of your vehicle. Most people know with newer cars now there's a lot of technology inside. Everything from Bluetooth to Wi-Fi to creature comforts that you use inside the vehicle. But what about underneath the hood? So today we're going to talk a little bit about that and how these things are making your vehicle a better vehicle and a safer vehicle. Number one, we've gone to almost everything is controlled by computers inside the vehicle. Some vehicles now have up to 14, 15 modules inside of them that are multiplexed together that talk to each other, trading data back and forth to keep your vehicle safer, better fuel economy, etc. We've gone to drive-by-wire systems. We have no cables that go to the throttle anymore inside the vehicle. Everything is electronically controlled, signal sent from the pedal to the computer, from the computer to the throttle body, telling it how far to open. The computers all take inputs from all kinds of systems such as air-fuel ratio sensors, mass airflow sensors, etc., making the vehicle safer and better at fuel economy, along with the collision avoidance systems that we now have with sensors that can help the car brake itself in an accident to avoid an accident. I'm Brian Bowersock, the Automan.
For more automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, you can always listen to Auto Talk Radio every Saturday morning at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB radio.